friends, myself Divyesh Kumar Singh. Today I want to talk to you, to our citizens. For last 55 days, we are in the houses. We have been bound to live in our house. This is not our choice. We have to. And think about the invisible thing, that is coronavirus, which has restrained us in our houses. And we have to protect ourselves. We have to remain in our houses. This is the things which ensures that even a human being who has achieved a lot in last 2-3 centuries, we have reached to the Mars planet, to Moon, we have landed over there, but still we have not achieved to conquer the viruses, the bacteria. We are not able to understand our body thing, our metabolism, the system which works inside our body. We have not able to understand our internal system. Even we have not journeyed inside our life. We traveled so far in outside world, but we did not go to a single step for our eternal journey. What happened? We gathered so many of convenient things to make our life more comfortable, and for that we are in the rat race. We are lagging one another. We are snatching. We are throwing. We are violating all the natural laws to get what? To get just rupees. To get just maternal things. But in this rat race, what we did? We destroyed nature. We contaminated water. We polluted our environment. And we did all the things which we could do. And the more interesting thing is, we started to believe that we are God. Humans are God, who can achieve anything, who can conquer the nature, who can defeat everything of this planet. Just see what we achieved today. We are fighting a war with the coronavirus by living inside our houses. We are performing all our duties through houses. Our own definition to conquer is reversed. The time was that when we said that we will conquer the other land, other territory, and for that we go to the far land. And today, to win the coronavirus, we have to live in our house, because they are in the environment, they are on the roads, they are in the buildings, they are everywhere, and we are not able to fight with corona. So we have to protect ourselves so that corona could not come to our body. That is why we are washing our hands, we are having protecting kits in our body, we are maintaining a physical and social distance from each other. This is the time that it is said that every crisis comes with an opportunity, and it is our perspective how we think about that whether we can change this crisis into our opportunity, or we make ourselves a very defeated person. This is the time when we should realize what we have done to get the material things, to make our life more comfortable. We have destroyed, degraded the environment, and as you are aware that in last 50-55 days, the rivers are cleaned, air pollution is in its lowest level, and every natural thing is congratulating us. They are happy. They are saying that now this is the system of the nature. This is the behavior of the human being, and this should be the behavior of the human being, because this is the phase where the other natural things are living happily. So just think, when we were on the road, on the public places, everything or every other things were inside their houses, and we have been making this nature polluted, non-livable. So believe one thing, we are not God. We are not God. We are just one of the millions of creatures of this planet. Nature has its power. We should respect it. We should be thankful to the natural things which are helping us for our survival, for helping us to make our life more comfortable. So we should have a very qualitative life with our family, with our friends, with our relatives, and we have time to understand each other. We have time to understand our eternal power. This is the beauty of India. All the saints, munis, traveled inside, not outside. And that is why we have created such a big scriptures in the ancient time, which is the most precious, valuable gift to the human being by India. So now it is a time where we should realize, and that is why when we will overcome through this, and we will overcome we will defeat the corona and we will overcome, we will be a victor. But think about that we should respect all the natural things. We should love all the natural things. And as we are living today, we will make our practice, we will make our habit that we should live like this also after corona victory.